and welcome back to my channel. We are once again, this is once again another vacation vlog. This time we are heading back to Hawaii. Yay!
I love Hawaii.
Marshall's back here because he's driving us to the airport, or he's gonna drive the car back to the airport.
And then he's coming next week.
And then yeah, he's meeting us there in 4 days. Right now we are going to pick up Jersey Mike's, and then we're gonna go to the airport.
Can I be your star tonight? You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no.
Okay, in the airport we've just we've kind of just been chilling around these tables, but we're gonna go out over and head to our gate because we have to board in like 15 minutes. Follow Big Mac 67.
Changing, the nights ever fading. It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. Let's sail across the lights beyond the sky. I'll be with you eternally. I'm an addict for your love. It keeps me high, keeps me high.
Okay, we made it to Mom and Papa's house. It's late, so we are going to bed, and I'm very excited for tomorrow, which will be our first official full day. Good night. Hey guys, what's up? Day one. First thing we're doing today is heading to Walmart and Starbucks and Costco. So let's go. Going to Costco with my mom and dad, but we're gonna stay here and hopefully like set everything up and do the tree, our Christmas tree. Okay guys, we are now heading to the beach. Not sure what beach are we going to? Okay. Okay, so let's go. Are we?
That looks so good.
Ouch.
Can you even share it or anything?
Second spam with a B of the trip.
Fishing Farms Hawaii.
Third. Made it to our first beach of our Hawaii trip, Kind of beautiful. First aloha of the trip. Guava nectar. Back home from the beach and time to just kind of chill around the house and probably put up more Christmas decorations. Follow me in the kitchen. Tonight for dinner, our first real dinner in Hawaii, we have some Costco mac and cheese.
Whoa, we have mac and cheese too?
And some homemade pork chops.
At Steve.
Let's go, bud. Okay, we're gonna go to bed. So that was our first full day in Hawaii. Anyways, good night and see you tomorrow. Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to day 2. Today we are going on a hike. So let's go. This is the Aiea Loop Trail. It's pretty chill and flat. So let's go. So windy. Okay, we just finished the hike. Madeline's really muddy. Me and Merrick, the back of our legs are kind of muddy. My dad has pants on, so he's good. But now I think we're gonna go get some food. So yeah.
Oh, you know, we had.
Okay, we finished lunch and it was very good. Did everybody enjoy it?
Very much.
Yes, Baka.
Very full.
Okay, now we're just gonna head back to the house and go from there. Okay, we are now going to the beach. We're going to Oveoveo, or Turtle Rock Beach, or Turtle Car Wash Beach. So yeah.
What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Stop.
Okay, pretty chill beach day. It's about 5:30, so now it's time to head back to the house. Okay guys, end of day 2. We are going to bed. We will see you back tomorrow. Somebody's angry. Good night. Hey guys, welcome back. Today is day 3. It's Christmas Eve. We're checking out a new beach spot. Not sure how it's gonna be, but let's go look. Okay, the beach is kind of rocky and not very good to swim in. It's still very pretty though, but I think we're gonna go check out another beach. Okay, we found our next beach. We don't know what it's gonna be like though, but oh well. Merrick, pull your pants up. Okay, we walked down like the beach, and we literally have it all to ourselves right now. It's gorgeous. You're so sharp. Okay, we're packing up and gonna head back to the house now. So beautiful still. Hey guys, it's been a hot minute, but our Christmas Eve party is starting.
Yeah,
It
we're
was cooked, but it was kind of a whirlwind of the past few hours. Doesn't make sense. I don't know. I made the fried rice.
I made the fried rice too.
But anyways, people are arriving, and we don't know anybody. So yes, Christmas Eve party. Okay, everybody left, and now we're just kind of winding down for the night. Okay guys, we're going to bed now. Christmas Eve. Christmas is tomorrow. It doesn't even feel like Christmas tomorrow, but hopefully it will tomorrow morning. This is my last Christmas as a minor. Okay, so anyways, good night. See you tomorrow. Good morning guys, day 4, and today is Christmas! Yay! I'm watching Miley's vlogs. Hey guys, so now we are heading to the beach. Not sure what beach we're going to, but it's an hour away, I guess, is what Merrick said. So yeah, let's go. Because it's so windy, but we kind of just have been driving along the outside of the island, kind of on the east side, trying to find a beach to go to. We stopped at this beach, but we're gonna head down just a little bit further and see a little better. It looks a little sunnier over there. So yeah, we're gonna go check that out. Let's go. Okay, we literally drove like 2 feet down, but it's okay.
I was gnarly out there, bro.
Okay, now we're leaving the beach.
Just so much sand in my
Pretty
hair.
fun. A little windy, a little cold, but still fun. Okay, we're back to the house and just gonna be winding down for the rest of the night. Day's pretty much over, but yeah. Okay, everybody's going to bed, so I'm trying to be quiet. But anyways, okay, so everybody's going to bed, so I'm trying to be quiet. But anyways, that's the end of, what is this? Day 3? Day 4? I don't even know. But Merry Christmas and good night and see you tomorrow. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today is day 5. We're starting off the day by me, Madeline, and my dad are going to Bishop's Museum. Me and Madeline's Christmas gift to my dad was like taking him here, so we pay for the tickets and everything. It's, I'm pretty sure, like a Hawaii Polynesian kind of culture museum. He really wanted to go, so we're going. So let's go. Done. Pretty cool. It's our Christmas gift to Dad, so you know. Had to do that. But yeah, it's fun and I think he enjoyed it. So yeah, now we're done. Not sure what we're doing next though, so we will see. Okay, we're back in Mililani and my papa was telling us about this farmer's market that apparently is happening right now. Doesn't look like much, but we're just gonna go ahead and check it out because why not? Okay, it's literally like just 2 fruit stalls, or like vegetable produce stalls, but we got a bunch of fruit, so
Successful outing.
successful.
Success.
We're like 6 up. We just got back to the house and we're locked out. But luckily, Mama, Papa, and Mom and them are gonna be home in like 15 minutes. But so we're just chilling right now. Luckily, there's drinks outside.
Go do work.
Oh, okay. Okay, we're leaving the house. The plan is gonna stop at Walmart real quick to get Marshall Lay. His flight was delayed, so we did have to kind of change up our plans. So yeah, Walmart, and then we're probably gonna go get food real quick. And then we're gonna go to downtown Honolulu and go look at all the Christmas lights and then pick up Marshall. First smallest sodas of the
Those
trip.
must be the cinnamon.
I was gonna say that and then you started saying that.
Oh wait, let me check. Yes.
Okay, we also just got these. They're corner rolls. Apparently they're supposed to be like super good. Best in Honolulu. Or good. I just ate the In-N-Out one. So good. Okay, we just finished looking at the lights. Really pretty. And now we're gonna go get Marshall.
Do it again.
Guess who's here? I've been vlogging the whole trip. How was your?
on YouTube, little buddy. I can do it faster. So you're saying I can do that? How was your Christmas?
It's pretty good.
Marshall's first time at Hawaii 7-Eleven. Some spam wasabi.
I'm already official. What can I say?
Back home,
Stop.
playing some
Okay, so
Uno.
basically,
Marshall's
this is the
first time
Okay,
in the house.
so it's normal
Oh,
Uno.
yep, just sit all up.
Useful.
Okay, end of the night. I'm just gonna go to bed.
Can I pet the dog? Can I? Oh my god.
Okay, end of the night. Time to go to bed.
Can I pet
See you
that
guys
dog?
tomorrow. Good night. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Today is day 6. It's about 8:30, and we're heading to Sharks Cove. High tide at 8:50, so we're gonna try to get the high tide. We're kind of running behind though.
We're not. It's 8:30.
So yeah, let's go.
Let's go.
Okay, we're at Sharks Cove, and now we're gonna go snorkeling. Okay, next stop, we're gonna go get some food at a shrimp truck.
Always so huggy.
Take a look in the mirror, say what's up.
Always so hungry.
Swag. And always just a hungry little thing.
I always so hungry.
Your account's gonna turn into a cringe account.
Always so hungry.
I'm just a baby.
Okay.
Checking out our first possible beach to hang out at. Let's see how it looks. Okay, after, I think that's like the longest we've stayed at a beach. Maybe.
Have them? Yes, it was.
I feel like it has been.
Follow around.
Yeah, it was.
Matsumoto's.
Can you walk that one?
So yeah, we're leaving the beach now, and we're heading to Matsumoto's. Marshall's first time at Matsumoto's. Are you excited?
I'm also excited. You have to get Pog. What else is good? Guava.
I think it's multiple flavors.
Okay, this is what everybody got. Marshall's first Matsumoto's. How is it?
I didn't even get to try this.
Okay. This is mine. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today is day 7, I think. Today we're going to the swap meet, all of us. It's a little different. Like, it's not like all the way around the stadium like how it usually is, because they're planning on blowing up the stadium or like demolishing it.
Blowing up the stadium?
Yeah, they're blowing up the stadium.
I accidentally spit my gum out while I was blowing the bubble.
So yeah, let's go to the swap meet.
It was about
Marshall's first time at the swap
That
meet.
she-
Are you excited?
was in a
Yeah.
Okay, we're we're back home, just kind of chilling right now and trying to figure out what we're gonna do next. Okay, so we decided that we're going on a hike to a waterfall. So let's go. Okay, we're going on the hike. We'll see how this is. Back to the car. That was a pretty good hike. I didn't get a lot of filming because it was very muddy and kind of had to lock in and focus. But the waterfall was like beautiful and we got amazing pictures. Sick. Guess who's arrived? Melon, it's not all about you.
Madeline, you're like Mary. You're like Mary.
Bella, Lily, and Nene. Okay, it's time to go to bed.
Oh my god, hi guys! Am I gonna be famous someday? Because like your vlog is gonna go viral.
Okay, so we're going to bed. We have to wake up at like 5 tomorrow for Diamond Head. Marshall's not too happy.
I have a wart on my head.
Ew, he has a wart on his head. Okay, anyways, good night guys. See you tomorrow. Good morning guys. I don't think you can really see me because it's 6:30 in the morning, not even 7 o'clock. Sun isn't even out yet, but we are up bright and early to hike Diamond Head. So let's go. It's gonna be really pretty because the sun is gonna be rising in about like 30 minutes. So we gotta get going so we can see it. Okay, we just finished the hike. Some really pretty views, as you can see.
Yeah.
Definitely worth going early. And yeah, gonna head back home now.
Hey, we run this old block.
I'm gonna edit again where it's like. Okay, so we're going to get some food. We're going to Cocoa Head Cafe or something. Looks cute. So let's go.
I'm so hot.
What the heck? Sure. Okay, we got our food. It looks very delicious. Oh, he's eating mine before I even tried it. This is what everybody got.
Maybe it's a
Bella didn't get anything.
Maybe it's a sign.
Okay, so what we're doing is my dad, me, and Marshall are gonna go to a surf shop. Marshall's gonna rent a surfboard, and then my dad's gonna drop me and Marshall off at a beach, and Marshall's gonna surf. Everybody else is going to a Veo, and then later we'll like meet them maybe.
Yeah, girl.
So yeah, that's the plan.
Go
Let's
track
go.
them.
Okay, Marshall's all done surfing. He said, Marshall, tell the vlog. How was surfing? How was your first time surfing in the North Shore?
Good. I don't want to claim it, but I like got halfway barreled.
Halfway barrel.
Yeah. because it was kind of like, you know, it was like, did I really get very old? Not really, but did I also kind of, yeah. So
So it was good. Now we're gonna return a surfboard and then go walk up to the town and get some matsumotos. The surf competition also just started. So there's a surf competition like over in Haleiwa, like actually in Haleiwa. And so maybe go check that out, see what it is. So yeah. Okay, me and Marshall got matching shirts at Surf and Sea. I got a long sleeve, he got a t-shirt, and now we're trying to walk to Matsumoto's.
I do.
Honestly.
Yes. Secretly, but honestly.
No more secrets.
Finally got our shave ice. Marshall got blue pineapple, watermelon, cherry. I got blue vanilla, watermelon, and cherry. He got mochi this time too. And the amazing, handsome Marshall paid for it. Thank you. Okay, we finished our shave ice. We have to, oh, it's so cute. Yeah. Okay, we finished our shave ice. We have to walk down to this beach because my dad doesn't want to pick us up on this road because it's super trafficy. So we're just gonna walk down to the beach and wait for him to pick us up and then head back home. There's a surf competition right now and we're watching it. It's pretty cool. Okay, we're back at the house and just chilling. Pretty good day. Got a lot done. Yeah. Change of plans. We're going to Foodland Farm for dinner. Like a farm. Are you excited, Lily? So excited. We don't know what this is, but we're just going along with the plans, you know. So yeah. So we are more responsible this time at Foodlands, unlike last time. And we only bought 2 cases of brownies and no gallons of ice cream. Even though we got 2 containers of brownies. So. Yeah, that's what I said. Yeah, that's a lot. You do the chop thing again. Bro. Bro. That's you, Miley. Come on, let's go. You're not tough. Okay, we're going to bed. Good night. See you tomorrow.
Bye, Charam.
Okay.